Welcome all of you in online classes BSc first year. Today considered intersection of line and sphere. Here first article is intersection of line and sphere. For this article consider a line and a sphere equation. You know that if any line intersecting to the any sphere, then intersecting points will be 2 points. So here in this article 1 to the coordinates of the intersecting point, that 2 points first and second, which are intersecting point of line and the sphere. For this, write to the equation of sphere and straight line. Consider the equation of sphere. Consider the equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0 is first equation, denoted by first equation. Means in the first equation, considered equation of the sphere is right in the general form, and in the second consider equation of straight line. Equation of straight line x minus alpha divided by L, y minus beta divided by m, and z minus gamma divided by n. Here considered point R and draw a figure. Suppose that this is figure sphere and this is straight line first and sphere. Intersecting points is denoted by point capital P and point capital Q. And on this line consider a point A whose coordinates are alpha, beta and gamma, and direction cosines of this line is equal R to L, M, N. So from figure and two equations it's clear that if any line intersecting to the any sphere, then intersecting will be 2 points, here denoted by capital P and capital Q. A point on the given straight line whose coordinates are alpha, beta and gamma, and L, M, N are the direction cosines of the straight line. S is denotation of the sphere first, x square y square z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0 in general form of the equation of the sphere. In this article, calculate to the points coordinates, intersecting points coordinate capital P and capital Q. So for coordinates of intersecting point capital P or capital Q, taking equation first from equation of straight line. Suppose that intersecting points are 2 points, that is point capital P and point capital Q. So here M is that find the coordinates of intersecting points capital P and capital Q. Therefore, from equation of straight line, here equation of straight line is x minus alpha by L, y minus beta by m, and z minus gamma by n, taken a unknown capital R. From the figure it is clear that the value of capital R means R is a distance from the point capital A and intersecting point. Suppose that points are P, okay, or Q. So here consider point P. So R is the distance between A and P. and is denoted by equation second. In this equation second, you can calculate the coordinates of intersecting point. So coordinates of the intersecting points x is equal to LR plus alpha, y is equal to MR plus beta, and at last z quadrant z is equal to NR plus gamma. These coordinates of intersecting points x, y and z. You know that intersecting points must be lies on the given sphere equation first. Therefore, hence intersecting points must lies on the sphere first. So you know that if any point satisfied to the any equation, then x, y and z replaced by given values of x, y and z. So here in this equation first, x replaced by LR plus alpha, y replaced by MR plus beta, and z replaced by NR plus gamma. Replacing by these values of x, y and z, you can calculate to the value of r. Here this is quadratic equation in capital R. There introduced to the two values of capital R, and after then putting these values of capital R, you can calculate the coordinates of point capital P and capital Q, means intersecting points. So first putting these values in equation first, then from equation first, x square is replaced by first write one times equation x square z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Here x replaced by LR plus alpha. So LR plus alpha whole square, y replaced by MR plus beta whole square, and z replaced by NR plus gamma whole square plus 2ux means 2u, x replaced by LR plus alpha plus 2v, and y replaced by MR plus beta, at last 2wz and z is replaced by NR plus gamma, so plus d is equal to 0. In this equation, first whole squaring to first, second and third, and multiply to 2u with first bracket, 2v second bracket, and 2w third bracket plus d, and after simplification you can see that right in quadratic equation of capital R, which is so after simplification to this equation for capital R, here capital R is quadratic equation. So if capital R, this is quadratic equation in capital R, then it represented to two values of capital R. Suppose that those values are capital R1 and capital R2. So putting the value of capital R1 and R2, and you can calculate the coordinates of intersecting point capital P and capital Q. Then coordinates of intersecting points capital P, L R1 plus alpha, M R1 plus beta, N R2 plus gamma, and coordinates of second intersecting point capital Q are LR2 plus alpha, MR2 plus gamma, and NR2 plus R1 NR2 plus gamma. These two intersecting points, and in numerically you can complete to the coordinates of point capital P and capital Q. So in this article, first draw a figure and taking intersecting point capital P and Q. Here with help of the straight line equation, write to the intersecting point coordinates CLR plus alpha, MR plus beta, NR plus gamma. Since intersecting point must be lies to the sphere equation first, so putting and replacing x, y and z by these coordinates. After simplification and find to the values of capital R. Suppose that those values are capital R1 and R2. Therefore, putting the value of R1 and R2 and coordinates of x, y and z means coordinates of intersecting point P and Q is completely solved. So use to this process in any question, and you can calculate two intersecting points of a straight line and a sphere. After this, I want to consider some questions which are related on this article. So please write to the first question. In first question, find the radius and center of the circle of intersection of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 2y minus 4z minus 11 is equal to 0, and intersecting plane equation is x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 15. In this question, given that equation of the circle, you know that already. You know that intersection of sphere and plane, then construction to the circle. So find to the center and radius of that circle. First write to the equation of circle. Given that equation of the circle is here x square plus y square plus z square, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2y minus 4z minus 11 is equal to 0, and intersecting plane equation is x plus 2y plus 2z minus 15 is equal to 0, represented by first equation. Here please draw a figure. Suppose that this is a sphere and this is plane, intersecting plane. Center, draw a perpendicular line on the intersecting plane, see a center, and suppose that point is B and point B is here, this sphere is a plane. Plane means x plus 2y plus 2z minus 15, and s means given sphere equation, see the center of the given sphere equation. Here, draw perpendicular line from the center to the intersecting plane at meeting the point capital A. Capital A is the center of the circle. Here, this structure is the circle by intersecting plane and sphere, and B is the point on the sphere. So draw a line C to B, and C to B is the radius of the sphere. Here this is sphere, x square y square z square minus 2y minus 4z minus 11 is equal to 0, and CA is perpendicular line and capital A is the center of the circle. Then capital AB, distance AB, capital distance AB is radius of the circle. So in this question, find to the coordinate of capital A and distance capital AB means coordinate of the center of circle and the radius of the circle AB. For this, first calculate the coordinate of the center of the sphere, means given sphere x square y square z square minus 2y minus 4z minus 11 is equal to 0. So for this, comparing to the standard equation of sphere, comparing to a standard equation of the sphere, is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2 plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Then the value of u is equal to coefficient of x in given equation of the sphere. So here x is absent, means u is equal to 0. V is the coefficient of y. So coefficient of y is equal to minus 2 in the given equation. 2 and 2 cancels from each other, minus 1. And at last w, 2w coefficient of z is equal to minus 4, means minus 2. And d is equal to minus 11. So here confirm the values of u, v, w and d unknowns. Then by rules of the sphere you can calculate the centers capital C and radius CB. So center coordinate capital C minus u minus v minus w, putting all values of u, v, w from above. Then center coordinate is 0, minus 1, minus 2. And radius of the sphere means CB from the figure, radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere, here from the figure is clear that the distance CB. So CB is equal to under root u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Putting these values of u, v, w and d, u is equal to 0, so 0 square is equal to 0, plus v means minus 1, whole square is equal to plus 1, and w is equal to minus 2, whole square of that is equal to 4. At last minus d, here d is equal to minus 11, so minus minus plus 11, right here plus 11. After simplify, it is equal to 4, 5 and 11. 5 plus 11 is equal to 16. 5 plus 11 is equal to 16. 16 under it is equal to 4. So it is implied that radius capital R CB is equal to 4, means radius of sphere, radius of the given sphere. Radius of the given sphere is clear, which is equal to 4 from the figure is equal to CB. And after this, and the coordinate of C 0, minus 1 and 2. So from figure, if draw a perpendicular line from the capital C to the intersecting plane, and suppose that intersecting point is capital A, then our aim that point coordinate of the point capital A. For this, first write to the equation of straight line, means perpendicular line CA. Draw a perpendicular line. Draw a perpendicular line from point capital C, whose coordinates are 0, minus 1, minus 2. Then by rules of straight lines, and from figure it's clear that perpendicular line CA is a normal line of the given plane, intersecting plane, x plus 2y plus 2z minus 15. You know that direction cosine means direction ratios of these lines are x coefficient 1, y coefficient 2 and z coefficient 2. Means direction ratios are 1 to 2. If you know that coordinate of a point from which line is passing and the direction ratio of the line, then you can write to the equation of line, means equation of normal line. So then equation of normal line AC is x minus alpha by L, y minus beta by m and z minus gamma by n. Here alpha, beta, gamma are points from which line is passing, means normal line is passing from center capital C. So alpha, beta, gamma, the values of coordinates 0, minus 1, minus 2 of the center, and L, M, N are direction ratios of line. So line is a normal line of the plane, then direction ratio is L is equal to 1, coefficient of y x, m is equal to 2, coefficient of y, and n is equal to 2, coefficient of z. Putting these values in this equation, then x minus 0 divided by L is equal to 1, y minus and minus plus 1 is divided by m. Here m is equal to coefficient of y means 2, and z minus gamma is equal to minus 2, so plus 2 is divided by 2, coefficient of z in the plane equation x plus 2y plus 2z minus 15. This is equation of the straight line, means straight line AC, means normal line AC. So equation of perpendicular line means normal line is x minus 0 by 1, y plus 1 by 2, and z plus 2 by 2 is equation of straight line AC. After this, taking a point on this straight line means normal line. So if capital A is intersecting point of normal line means line, and intersecting plane means given plane, then coordinates of intersecting point. Coordinates of intersecting point capital A, you can write from the equation x minus 0 by 1, y plus 1 by 2, and z plus 2 by 2. Suppose that is equal to r. So coordinates of point capital A r is equal to x r, and y is equal to 2r minus 1, and z is equal to 2r minus 2. These are coordinates of intersecting point capital A. From figure and question, it's clear that point capital A is lies on the intersecting plane x plus 2y plus 2z minus 15 is equal to 0, means intersecting plane. So here x replaced by r, y replaced by 2r minus 1, and z replaced by 2r minus 2. Since capital A is lies on intersecting plane is equation x plus 2y plus 2z minus 15 is equal to 0. In this equation, x replaced by capital R, y replaced by 2r minus 1, and z replaced by 2r minus 2. So x r 2 times y replaced by 2r minus 1 plus 2 times z replaced by 2r minus 2 minus 15 is equal to 0. After simplification to this equation, you can calculate the value of capital R and coordinate of capital A, means intersecting point capital A. So is equal to R plus 4R minus 2 plus 4R minus 4 minus 15 is equal to 0. It is implies that R 4R is equal to 5R, and again 4R 9R, so 4 4 8 and 1 9R, and numerical values are minus 2 minus 4 minus 15, so is equal to minus 6 minus 15 is equal to minus 21 is equal to 0. Here given the value of capital R is 21 by 9 and 3 and 7, so 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is the value of capital R, unknown value capital R. With the help of this process. After this, putting the value of capital R and find to the coordinate capital A. Here capital A is the center of the circle. So the coordinate of center of the circle are capital A. Coordinates are, here coordinates of capital A means the center is capital R. So putting x is equal to capital R, y is equal to 2r minus 1 and z is equal to 2r minus 2. After this, putting the values of r, then confirm coordinates of capital A are 7 by 2, 7 by 3 and 14 by 3 minus 1 and 14 by 3 minus 2, and capital A coordinates are 7 by 3, 7 by 3 and 11 by 3, 11 by 3 and 6, 8 by 3. These are coordinates of center of the circle. So these coordinates are required coordinates of the given intersecting circles, given plane and given sphere. So is first answer. After this, in the question, find to the radius and center. Center is clear. Coordinates of capital A is center of the circle and remain is the radius of the circle. So from the figure is clear that radius of the circle is equal to distance AB, and in triangle, right angle triangles ABC applying to Pythagoras theorem, and you can calculate to the value of base AB. So here applying to Pythagoras theorem for the right angle triangle ABC and calculate to the value of radius of the circle. After calculating the coordinates of capital A, means coordinate of the center of circle, here remain is the radius of the circle, means distance AB. For distance AB, calculate to the radius of sphere CB. Here CB value is 4, is clear, and remain is the distance CA, means perpendicular distance from the center of sphere to the intersecting plane, x plus 2y plus 2z minus 15. So is perpendicular distance from point capital C, whose coordinates are 0, minus 1, minus 2, to the intersecting plane, intersecting plane. Here intersecting plane equation is x plus 2y plus 2z minus 15 is equal to 0. You know that about the rule, when perpendicular from a point to the plane, x replaced by first quadrant, y replaced by second quadrant and z replaced by third quadrant, divided by under root of coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z in squaring form. Then perpendicular distance CA is equal to x replaced by 0 plus 2 into y replaced by minus 1 and 2 into z replaced by minus 2 minus 15 is divided by under root of coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 2 whole square, coefficient of z is also 2 whole square. Is taken mod form because distance always taken in positive sign. So after simplification, you can calculate the value of CA, perpendicular distance, is equal to 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 15, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, minus 15 is divided by minus 2, minus 4, minus 15 is divided by 4 under root 1 plus 4 plus 4 is 3. Here 21 minus 21, so mod of minus 21 divided by 3 is equal to 21 by 3 means 9, 7. So distance CA is equal to 7. Distance CA is equal to 7. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 15 is equal to minus 21 by 4, 4, 8 and 9. Under root is equal to 3. So equal to 7. CA distance, perpendicular distance from C to the given plane. After this, taken right angle triangle ABC. So from right angle triangle capital ABC, capital ABC. CB whole square is equal to CB whole square is equal to CA whole square plus AB whole square. Putting all values of CA and CB from equations, CB is equal to 4 whole square and C is equal to 7 whole square. So putting the values of CB, CA and AB is radius of the circle AB. So after calculating, the value of AB is equal to under root 15. It is implied that radius of the circle is AB is equal to under root 15 is complete solution of the given question. So in the question, first calculate the coordinate of intersecting point capital A of the given plane, given straight line, normal line and given plane. Here capital A coordinates of the circle, and after then calculate to the radius of the sphere CB and perpendicular distance from C to the given plane x plus 2y plus 2z minus 15. Suppose that point A is the intersecting point. Then in right angle triangle, applying to the Pythagoras theorem, and you can calculate the value of base capital AB, which is equal to under root 15 and is also called radius of the circle. So radius of the circle and coordinate of the center of circle is complete solution of this question. After this, consider next question. In this question, so that the plane 2x minus 2y plus z plus 12 is equal to 0 touch the sphere. Here sphere is x square y square z square minus 2x minus 4y 2z minus 3 is equal to 0. This question contains two parts of the question. In the first part, so that plane touch to the sphere, and in second part, find the coordinates of point of contact. So in the solution, write given equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y plus 2z minus 3 is equal to 0 is equation first. And given plane equation is 2x minus 2y plus z plus 12 is equal to 0 is represented by second equation. So in these two equations, first is the sphere equation and second is plane equation. So that this plane is touched to the sphere, draw a figure. Suppose that this is a sphere first, and is plane. If any plane is touching to the sphere, suppose that point touching point is capital P and is center of capital C. Then from the figure, suppose that is the plane equation is 2x minus 2y plus z plus 12 is equal to 0. Is plane. If any sphere touch to the plane, then from figure it's clear that distance from center to the plane, means perpendicular distance from the center to the plane, must be equal to radius of the sphere. So here from the figure, if draw perpendicular distance and if point is capital P, then CP is the radius of the sphere, is clear from figure. So in the first part, so that sphere touch to the plane, means prove that perpendicular distance from C to the given plane is equal to the radius of the sphere. So here first calculate to the center coordinates capital C of the sphere by rules of the center coordinates. So given sphere is x square, y square, z square minus 2x minus 4y plus 2z minus 3 is equal to 0. As comparing with general equation of the sphere x square, y square, z square minus 2x minus 4y plus 2z minus 3 is equal to is comparing with general equation of the sphere, means here 2ux 2vy 2wz plus d is equal to 0. It is represent to the value of u is equal to coefficient of x, 2u is equal to minus 2, so u is equal to minus 1, and v is equal to coefficient of y is equal to 2v minus 4, 2 and 4 cancels from each other, so v is equal to minus 2, and w is equal to 1, coefficient of z equal to 2w, 2 and 2 cancels is the 1, and at last constant d is equal to minus 3. Constant d is equal to minus 3. So here the value of u is equal to minus 1, v is equal to minus 2, w is equal to 1, and constant d is equal to minus 3. After this you can calculate to the coordinates of capital C and also radius of the sphere. So applying to the suitable formula, then coordinates of center capital C minus u minus v minus w is implies that minus u, here u is equal to minus 1, so plus 1, and v is also minus, so plus 2, and w is minus 1. The center of sphere capital C, and radius here radius is denoted by capital R of the sphere is equal to, according by formula, u square plus v square plus w square minus d. It is implied that putting the value of u, here u is equal to minus 1, so whole square plus 1, v is equal to minus 2 whole square plus 4, and w is equal to 1 whole square plus 1, and d is minus 3 minus plus 3. So simplify to this is equal to 4 and 3 7 and 2 9 is equal to 3. It is implied the radius of the sphere is capital R is equal to 3. So from this calculation, confirm result of center of coordinate capital C 1 to minus 1, and radius of the sphere is equal to 3. First part of the question is that prove that this sphere touch to the plane, means prove that distance Cp, perpendicular distance Cp from the center to the plane is equal to radius of the sphere. Means here prove that Cp is equal to r. So first calculate to the value of Cp, because r is equal to 3, already proved. So perpendicular distance Cp from point capital C, means center capital C, to the plane, intersecting plane, 2x minus 2y plus z plus 12 is equal to 0. By rules of perpendicular from any point to the any plane, here x replaced by first quadrant of center, y replaced by second quadrant of the center, and z replaced by third quadrant of center capital C, divided by under root of coefficient x, y and z in a whole square form. So is perpendicular distance means Cp is equal to 2 into x, coordinate of C is equal to 1, so x replaced by 1, and minus 2 into y, y replaced by second quadrant, second is 2, so 2, and z replaced by third quadrant, which is minus 1 plus 12, is divided by under root of coefficient of x 2 square, coefficient of y minus 2 square, coefficient of z 1 square, here taking mod form because perpendicular distance is a taken in positive sign, is a distance. So 2 into 2 minus 4 and minus 4 minus 1 plus 12 is divided by under root of 4 plus 4 plus 12. Minus 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 3, and minus 3 plus 12 is equal to plus 9, and in denominator 4 plus 4 8, 12 and 8 is equal to 20, under root 20. So perpendicular distance Cp is equal to 9 by under root 20. The coefficient of x is equal to 2 whole square 4, coefficient of y is equal to minus 2 whole square 4, and coefficient of z is equal to 1, so whole square 1. After simplification is equal to under root 9, and is equal to 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So Cp is equal to 3 and radius r is equal to 3. It is implied that Cp is equal to radius of the sphere. This so that given sphere touch to the given plane. So first result is complete, hence given sphere touch to the given plane is complete answer of the first part of question. So in the first part of the question, so that the given sphere touch to the given plane, for this so that perpendicular distance Cp is equal to radius of the sphere. So here after calculating, and first calculate the center of the sphere by rules of under root u square v square w square minus u minus v minus w is center and radius of the sphere. Center coordinates are 1, 2, minus 1, and radius is 3. So here is complete center and radius of the sphere. After this, draw perpendicular distance from the point C to the plane, and applying to the formula perpendicular distance from any point to the any plane. Here after simplification is equal to 3, and already 3 is equal to radius of the sphere. So perpendicular distance Cp is equal to radius of the sphere, is so that given sphere touch to the given plane. After this, find the point of contact. Suppose that point of contact is point capital P, then find the coordinate of point capital P. From figure it is clear that Cp is a straight line, is called normal line to the given plane 2x minus 2y plus z plus 12 is equal to 0. This normal line is passing through the point capital C, whose coordinates are 1 to minus 1, 1 to minus 1. So write an equation of straight line is normal line Cp which passing through the point capital C and has direction ratios 2, minus 2 and 1, means coefficient of x, y and z of the given plane equation. So here consider second part of the question. If capital P is point of the contact to a sphere and the plane, then line Cp is a normal line of the given plane whose direction ratios of normal line Cp are coefficient of x means 2, coefficient of y minus 2 and coefficient of z is equal to 1. After this, write to the equation of normal line Cp which passing through the point capital C. Then equation of normal line, Cp is x minus alpha by L, y minus beta by m, z minus gamma by m. Here alpha, beta, gamma are the points from this line passing. So here normal line passing to point capital C, whose coordinates 1, 2, minus 1. So putting alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 2 and gamma is equal to minus 1. L, M, N are the direction ratios of required line, but line is normal to the plane 2x minus 2y plus z. Therefore direction ratios means L is equal to 2 coefficient of y, M is equal to coefficient of 2 y and L is coefficient of x, and at last N is equal to coefficient of z which is equal to 1. Putting these values in above equation, then equation of line Cp is x minus 1 by 2, y minus 2 by minus 2 and z minus and plus 1 by 1 is equation of normal line Cp, but our aim that find the coordinates of capital P means contact point coordinates. So here taken is equal to point capital R. Then coordinates of point capital P means contact point capital P. X is equal to 2r plus 1, we are taking first and last ratio, the value of x, second and last ratio, the value of y, and z and r is equal to value of z. So same as the value of y is equal to minus 2r plus 2, and z is equal to r minus 1. X component, y component and z components are the coordinates of contact point capital P, but here from the figure is clear that capital P must be lies to the touching plane equation 2x minus 2y plus z plus 12 is equal to 0. So you write since capital P is touching point therefore all coordinates of point capital P must be satisfied to plane equation. Here plane equation is 2x minus 2y plus z plus 12 is equal to 0. That is putting x, y and z values from above in plane equation. So 2x minus 2y plus z plus 12 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2r plus 1 minus 2 times, y is equal to minus 2r plus 2 and at last z is equal to r minus 1 plus 12 is equal to 0. Simplify to this equation for value of capital R, and then putting the value of capital R you can calculate to the value of coordinates of point capital P, contact point. So is equal to 4r plus 2 minus and minus plus 4r minus 4 plus r minus 1 and 12 is equal to 11 plus 11 is equal to 0. 4r and r, 4 and 4 8 plus 1 9, 4 8 plus 1 9r, and 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2 and plus 11 is equal to plus 9 is equal to 0. Here 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2 and plus 11 is equal to 9 plus 9. So it is implied that r is equal to minus 1. Putting these values of r means r is equal to minus 1 in contact point capital P coordinates. X is equal to 2r plus 1, y is equal to minus 2r plus 2, z is equal to r minus 1. Putting r is equal to minus 1, then coordinates of contact point capital P, x is equal to 2r plus 1, y is equal to minus 2r plus 2, and here z is equal to r minus 1. It is implied that P x is equal to minus 2 plus 1, y is equal to plus 2 and z is equal to minus 1 minus 1. It is implied that p coordinates is minus 1, 4 and minus 2. So contact point capital P whose coordinates are minus 1, 4, minus 2 is clear. Therefore, second part of the question. In the first part, so that point touch to the sphere is clear there, and in second point find the coordinates of the contact point. For this, first calculate the equation of straight line, normal line CP, which passing through the point capital C and has direction ratios 2, minus 2 and plus 1, because it is a normal line of the given plane. So by rules of straight lines, equation of normal line is x minus 1 by 2, y minus 2 minus 2 and z plus 1 by 1. Here taking r unknown value, r is the unknown value, and with help of this 4 ratios, coordinates of point capital P is equal to 2r plus 1, minus 2r plus 2 and r minus 1. Since point capital P must be lies the plane, because if you know that plane touch to the sphere, then contact point must be satisfied to the plane equation and the sphere equation. So here P lies to the plane equations 2x minus 2y plus z plus 12, and after simplify to this equations for point capital R, the value of capital R is equal to minus 1 is clear then. After this, putting the value of minus 1 and calculate the point of P contact point whose coordinates is clear minus 1, 4, minus 2 is complete solution of this question. Now consider next article, equation of the tangent plane to a sphere. In this article, write to the equation of the tangent plane to the sphere at a given point. So for this, consider the equation of the sphere. Consider the equation of the sphere is x square plus y square. Write to general equation of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0 is denoted by first. So in the first equation, taken a general equation of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0, and here write to the tangent plane equation. For this, taken a point and taken a point suppose that point capital P whose coordinates are x1, y1, z1, and by article draw a perpendicular and means find to the tangent plane equation, means x1, y1, z1 find to the tangent plane to the sphere x square, y square, z square, and for this draw a figure. Suppose that sphere is this is equal to 0, first equation, and suppose that point is capital P whose coordinates are x1, y1, z1. Then tangent plane draw as is called tangent plane. And here touching point is capital P, means tangent plane at the point capital P. So is equation is then equation of the tangent plane is x1, y1, z1 plus u times x plus x1 plus v times y plus y1 plus w times z plus z1 where d is equal to 0. Second, the equation second is the equation of tangent plane to the given sphere and at the given point x1, y1, z1. For this process is replacing x square by x1, y square by y1, z square by z1, and here 2 eliminate and write x plus x1, 2 eliminate y plus y1, 2 eliminate z plus z1, and d will be same as. So this is tangent equation, is tangent plane equation is clear there. So after this, here consider an example. Find to the tangent plane to the sphere. Suppose sphere equation is to the sphere. Suppose sphere equation is 3x square, 3y square, 3z square plus x minus 2y plus z minus 7 is equal to 0. At the point 1, minus 1 and 2. So in this question, find the equation of tangent plane to the sphere 3x square, 3y square, 3z square plus x minus 2y plus z minus 7 is equal to 0. At the contact point is 1, minus 1, 2. For this, write to the solution. Given equation of the sphere is 3x square, 3y square, 3z square plus x minus 2y plus z minus 7 is equal to 0. First, transfer to the general form of the sphere means 3 taken in common. So here general form is x square plus y square plus z square plus 1 by third x minus 2 by third y plus 1 by third z minus 7 by third is equal to 0 is represented by first equation. So given sphere equation, write in the general form of the sphere x square y square z square means coefficient of x square y square z square should be unit, and 1 by third of x minus 2 by third y plus 1 by third z minus 7 by 3 is equal to 0. And given point is 1, minus 1 and z. Therefore, comparing to this articles, here x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to minus 1 and z1 is equal to 2. And given point is x1, y1, z1 is equal to 1, minus 1 and 2. It is implies that x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to minus 1 and z1 is equal to 2. Means confirm result of x1, y1, z1 are 1, minus 1 and 2 given point coordinates. After then you can directly use to the formula of the tangent plane. Then tangent plane is x1 plus y1 x1 plus y1 plus z1 plus u times x plus x1 plus v times y plus y1 plus uv times z plus z1 plus d is equal to 0. In this formula second tangent plane equation, here the values of x1, y1 and z1 are confirmed, but small u, small v, small w and small d is you can find from the given equation of the sphere first. Here u is equal to coefficient of x half means 1 by 6. So putting u is equal to coefficient of x half means 1 by 6, coefficient v is equal to coefficient of y half means minus 1 by third, and w is equal to coefficient of z half means 1 by 6, and d is equal to constant minus 7 by 3, and x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 1, and x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to minus 1 and z1 is equal to 2. In above equation, then tangent plane is x1 is equal to 1, x into 1, y is equal to minus 1, so minus y into minus 1 plus z into 2, so z into 2, and u is equal to 1 by 6 times x plus x1. Here x1 is equal to 1, so x plus 1, and v is equal to minus 1 by third times y plus y1. y1 is equal to minus 1, so minus 1, plus w is equal to 1 by 6 times z plus z1 means 2. At last d is equal to minus 7 by 3, so minus 7 by 3 is equal to 0. After simplify to this equation, write to the complete form of the tangent plane equation. So x minus y 2z and plus x by 6 and plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3y plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6z plus 1 by 2 by 6 and at last minus 7 by 3 is equal to 0. This is not in the general form of the plane equation. So here after simplification, write all x in one bracket, all y in second bracket, all z in third bracket, and fourth bracket write numerical values. So after simplification is write in the form x component are x plus x by 6 taken in one bracket plus y component minus y and minus 1 by third y, and z component is 2z plus 1 by 6 z. After this write numerical values. This 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 3 and 2 by 6 minus 7 by 3 is equal to 0. Here x taken common from the bracket and 1 plus 1 by 6 x and minus taken from the bracket and write 1 plus 1 by 3 times y. Here z plus 2 plus 1 by 6z plus 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 2 by 6 minus 7 by 3. Write in the General form 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6 plus 2 by 6 minus 14 by 6 is equal to 0. 1 by 6 is equal to 7 by 6, 7 by 6x, and 3 and 4 minus 4 by 3y. Here 12 and 13, 13z by 6, 13z by 6. Plus at last here 6 taken LCM, and 1 plus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 2 plus 2 minus 16 is equal to 0. So 6 taken LCM from all fractions, 7x minus 8y plus 13z and 4, 5 and 9 plus 9 minus 9, 2 and 2 4 and 5 and 14 minus 5 is equal to 9 is equal to 0. This is equation of tangent plane, is required equation of the tangent plane. So it's complete solution of the example which is related from the tangent to the given sphere article. So okay, thanks for watching my video.